So if you are into the world of Meshtastic, there are lots and lots of devices you can buy. Here is one that so far I'm very impressed with. This is from a company called SpecFive, and they make lots of different Meshtastic devices. I believe they're getting into mesh core as well. So how do you choose the device that's right for you, and why would you choose something like this? Well, most Meshtastic devices are small with a very small battery and a small antenna. That is kind of the idea behind a lot of them, is that it's very small and you can just keep it in your pocket when you're going camping. However, those units can sometimes only last a day or two, and then the battery goes out on them. Something like this is a little bit different for someone who wants this to last for maybe even up to a week. So it's just a much bigger unit, obviously, than a lot of the smaller Meshtastic pocket-sized devices. It has a larger whip antenna, which means you're going to get a little bit better distance. But the whole reason behind this thing being so big is that it packs a large battery inside of this unit, which I've heard people say lasts up to 5 to 7 days without recharging this. So if you're camping and you're going to be gone for a week and you want an emergency communication and you want to keep a device on you, comes with a handy clip, comes with a clip you can clip on here, comes with a kickstand so you can set it down. If you're going to be camping for a long time and you want this to last for a long time, maybe even up to a week or so, that's why you would pick something like this. Any node will get you into the Meshtastic network, but a node like this is going to be a little bit better range because of the upgraded antenna and a little bit better battery power. So far, this thing has worked great for me. I'm happy with it, and I would definitely recommend it.